just received the battery switch from battery no problem 900 ampere. What we need right now is a key 13, a key 10. First of all, we will pull off negative with a key 10. This portion is quite easy, as you can see. It's done. Onto negative, or must we put right now the battery switch, and at the end comes the negative, the mask cable. Now we have to fix up this one. First put the hand a little bit, and after this with a key. This takes maybe 1 minute to install the battery switch, and we won't got any more problem. Very important to fix it up well so you don't got any trouble with light. Well, situations right now it's disconnected. There is no light in the car. There won't be battery losses. To switch on, we have to unscrew the blue button. To activate the anti-theft device, we take off this blue button and take it with us. Right now we will start the Porsche. It's a Boxster from 2006 to make as an idea. Porsche is working. Next situation, we will turn him off, and we still hear the radio. Goodbye. In this situation, the Porsche won't lose any more battery. Next time we will come to the car, maybe in 1 year, in 1 month, the battery will be full.